Welcome back to my barn, where tonight we're figuring out just how good I am at ordering parts so that we can fix this axle that rolled in the housing. Well, rolled in the U-bolts and broke all the U-bolts. And, well, that's a problem for past me because I've already replaced the U-bolts. Now I just need to source shocks that fit and, well, I'll fix some other stuff too. Maybe some upgrades too, we'll think about it. She is just thunderfucked. Hopefully that drive shaft's okay. Not bent.
It's fine. Who needs to drive a shaft anyways?
Me. You know, that I welded up only 2 years ago. Thanks, Indiana. Plus the front, you know, that... You only need like one side of a shackle. Probably fine. And wedge, probably about 2 degrees I think this one was. Looks like it broke when the axle rolled, which is a problem. But put it on the lift block. It was kind of longer than the lift block already, but where it broke is about right. So I'm just gonna drill a new hole. Oh, that new hole's not big enough. Drill a bigger new hole. Here's the replacement U-bolt kit. U-bolts are definitely pretty stout, but these plates, here's the bullshit that I put together. Just skookumer as frig. Oh, and Supreme suspension, I guess. Goodie bag here. See my goodie bag? Apparently U-bolts come with goodie bags. God. Oh. Sticker. First thing out of the bag, use this nice clean rag. That's gonna fit there, yeah. Ooh, it's one of the clear ones. Can't fuck that up. Yeah. Alright. Stickers. Rubber grommets? So yeah, let's get some anti-seize. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay, now that I've got these wrench tight, I'm gonna do probably the first of many controversial things tonight. Because that way I can get a torque wrench on them, and when they're torqued to some kind of spec, maybe they're at least a little bit less likely to loosen up on me. Although I was looking and thinking, I think maybe my thin plate might have actually bowed instead of the bolts stretching or loosening, but it's worth doing right-ish.
Route 132 in Batavia, Ohio. Open Monday through
5 Neely, Ohio, to 4 p.m. Friday and Saturday, 10 a.m. www.Balkman'sOverstock.com.
I bet you can hear it in the video, because I can hear it coming from the phone. Some god-awful clicking noise. Maybe it's been dropped too many times. Now these shocks are, I ordered them to fit the Super Duty. Well, I didn't order them for the Super Duty, but because ordering shocks is just a pain in the ass, these are supposed to fit the Super Duty. Well, that's already going to be a problem. Anyway, these are supposed to fit the Super Duty, but trying to find something that fits this is just a pain. So I just picked something that these do have a nice long stroke length, so allegedly. So let's see if they fit. I really don't want to have to buy another set of those damn rough country shocks. Out getting some firewood now that she's back together. First nice day of the year here. It's March 4th. Thought, you know, a good way to spend the first nice day of the year is just haul a little bit more firewood out. Some deadfall that I've had up the hill here, and keep the wood stove going. I think this was a pretty decent sized maple, which kind of sucks. Probably at least a one-tap tree, but well, you know, the wood stove accepts all. I think the next thing in the barn's probably going to be the old mule, or maybe the Massey to get a loader swap. I don't know which one of those will come next, but lately we've been working on the 66. You'll see that on the Beautiful Wife's channel. So yeah, stay tuned for the next dickery in the shop. Thought for sure I had the Toyota down this way before, but I guess not, because there is just not room.